Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to clear up white lines appearing on documents printed from your Brother MFC-J497DW. This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. The most common cause of horizontal or vertical white lines on printed documents is clogged nozzles inside the printhead. This procedure will demonstrate how to use the self-cleaning operations of your Brother machine to clear the blockage. We will begin by opening the scanner cover. Check the platen area and remove any ripped paper or other obstructions. If the printhead is in the locked position, on the right side of the platen, press and hold the stop-exit key on the control panel for 5 seconds. When the printhead moves to the center, check the right side of the platen for jammed paper. Gently slide the printhead left and right, and check for paper scraps trapped underneath the printhead. Now close the scanner cover. Next, we will print a quality check sheet. On the control panel, press the Settings key. Press the down arrow repeatedly until the General Setup option is selected. Then press OK. Next, select the Maintenance option and press OK. Now select the Improve Print Quality option and again press OK. Select Improve Print Quality for white lines and then press OK. When prompted, press the right arrow. Once the quality check sheet prints, examine the 4 blocks of color near the top of the page for missing dots. When prompted, use the left and right arrows to select the pattern displayed on the screen that best matches the pattern printed on the quality check sheet for each color. Then press OK. If there are no missing dots for a particular color, choose Pattern 1. Press the right arrow key to begin the cleaning. The process may take several minutes and will consume some ink. Once the cleaning is finished, you'll be prompted to check the nozzles. Press the right arrow key to start. Now arrow right again. Another quality check sheet will print. Check the blocks of color near the top of the page. If the missing dots are restored, the issue is resolved. If the dots are still missing, the cleaning will need to be run again. Please note, if at any time during the cleaning or purging processes you receive an ink low message, you'll need to replace the indicated cartridges before proceeding. We strongly recommend using only genuine Brother ink, which is specially formulated to prevent smearing and printhead clogging. Using non-Brother ink can affect print quality as well as the performance and reliability of your Brother machine. Start the print quality evaluation again. This time, however, for every color that's missing dots, select Pattern 4 to force a deeper cleaning of that color's ink lines. Press the right arrow key to begin the second cleaning. You will again be prompted to check the nozzles. Press the right arrow key to start. Now arrow right again. When the quality check sheet prints, check for missing dots. If the missing dots are restored, the issue is resolved. If the dots are still missing, a stronger cleaning process will be required. Press the left arrow, followed by the stop-exit key to return to the main menu. Now you'll need to perform an initial purge of your Brother machine. Press the Settings key. Press star, then 0, then pound to enter maintenance mode. 0 should appear at the top left of the display. Next, press 7, followed by 6, and then 4. The top of the display should now read Unit_P_all. If your print quality check sheet was missing a single color, press the left or right directional arrows to select the missing color: black, magenta, cyan, or yellow. If multiple colors are missing, arrow over to the option marked Unit_P_all. Then press Mono Start. Your Brother machine will begin to purge. Once the purge is completed, the display will return to the main menu. From there, print another quality check sheet and check again for missing dots. If the dots are now restored, the issue is resolved. Otherwise, you'll need to perform the initial purge again. Once the purge is completed, print another quality check sheet and check for missing dots. If there are still dots missing, you'll need to verify ink compatibility. Open the ink cartridge cover and press the lock-release levers to release the ink cartridges that correspond to the missing colors. Next, remove the selected cartridges and verify that they display a genuine Brother Annabella logo on each label. Verify that a green identification chip is mounted to the top of the ink cartridge. Once again, be advised that using non-Brother ink and cartridges can affect print quality as well as the performance and reliability of your Brother machine. Replace any non-Brother cartridges found. Close the ink cartridge cover and repeat the steps in this video. If the affected cartridges were genuine Brother supplies, your machine may require service. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at brother-usa.com.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.